I recently checked out Apache Guacamole, and honestly, it's a pretty solid option if you need remote access without the usual hassle of installing software. What's really nice is that it works right in your browser, no plugins, agents, or extra software needed. You can connect via VNC, RDP, or SSH, which makes it really flexible for different types of machines. It runs on pretty much any platform and you can access it from desktops, tablets, or even your phone, which is convenient if you're always on the go. Security-wise, it's got encryption built in, supports multi-factor authentication, and lets you control access per user or per protocol, so you can keep things locked down. Performance is surprisingly smooth, even on slower connections, and it scales well if you need to handle a lot of users at once. Plus, there's session recording and sharing, which is handy for troubleshooting or collaboration. The core software is free and open source, though you can get commercial support if that's important to you. The setup is a bit more technical. You'll need a Linux server and have to set up Tomcat and Guacamole. Some network and authentication tweaks might be needed too, so it's not exactly plug and play. Also, it doesn't have everything. Things like USB redirection or extensive UI customization aren't there yet. Overall, I think it's a great fit for IT teams or anyone who needs secure, browser-based remote access across multiple operating systems and doesn't mind a bit of technical setup. It gives a lot of control, which is perfect for tech-savvy users and enterprise environments.